In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video on your page, connect it to a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, and make it live on your site with confidence. First, open your Card site, head to card.so, log in, and from your dashboard, open the site project you want to edit. You'll see the page layout and the editor on the side. Take a quick moment to confirm you're working in the correct project, especially if you manage multiple sites. It'll save you from publishing changes to the wrong page. Next, add a video element. Look for the plus icon labeled Add Element, then choose Video from the list. Card will place a video player box onto your page. Think of this box as a placeholder that you can move and size to fit your design. If you prefer a full-width hero video or a smaller clip within a section, you can drag and resize the element until it sits exactly where you want it. Keep in mind the overall layout and readability of your page as you position it. Now decide how you want the video to work. Card gives you two options here, and the simplest is embedding a video. In the video settings, set type to embed. Then paste the link to your video from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, TikTok, or Facebook. Use the direct video page link, not a shortened URL if possible, to avoid issues. If your video is unlisted, that usually still works for embedding, but private videos may not display depending on platform settings. This is a great option because the host handles streaming and compression, which helps your page load smoothly. Once your link is in place, it's time to preview and publish. Click Preview to see how the video looks and behaves on the live layout. Check that the aspect ratio feels right, that the player controls appear as expected, and that the video doesn't crowd other elements. If your design targets mobile viewers, glance at how the preview scales on smaller screens and make small adjustments to the element's size or placement if needed. When everything looks good, click Publish. Card will update your live site, and your video will be ready for visitors. If you spot something you'd like to tweak afterward, just return to the editor, adjust the video element or link, preview again, and publish the changes. That's it. Clean, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your Card site with video.